Hello, Chelsea. This is Mr. Gibson, and I'm on here now trying to answer the question that you sent to me. You said that you do not really understand scientific notation, so I'm going to take a little time here to try and explain this to you. It says in a year, almost 1 billion people on the planet didn't have access to clean drinking water. If there were 5.1 times 10 to the ninth power of people in the world, then approximately what percentage of them live without clean drinking water? Okay, so one of the first things that we have to do here is take this 5.1 times 10 to the ninth power and write this into a regular number. Okay, so we would take this value here. We would take 5.1, and this tells us, because this is a positive 9 and this is in scientific notation, that means we have to move this decimal to the right 9 times. Okay, so we move the decimal 9 times. So that would mean that we will put zeros to replace where we move the decimal. So this would give us 8 zeros. So this would give us 5,100,000,000. This is what this 5.1 times 10 to the ninth power means. Now, we're told here that almost 1 billion people on the planet didn't have access to clean drinking water. So we want to know the percentage of this. So we would take 1 billion and we would divide it by the total population, which is 5,100,000,000. Now you would take your calculator and we would, let me move this over. We would take the calculator and we would take 1 billion and divide it by 5,100,000,000. And that would give us about 0.19 in this long number. It tells us to type an integer or decimal rounded to the nearest tenth as needed. So what we would have to do here, we would have to go to 4 decimal places here. Well, actually, 4 decimal places to see if we round up this third digit. So if you notice here, the 4th decimal place is 0. So we will round this to be 0.196 and change this to a percent. We'll move it 2 places to the right, so it'll be 19.6%. Now we need to put that value in. So we have 19.6. Check our answer, and job well done. And we are done. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.